Forgotten username recovery failed on OakNorth Fix. If your OakNorth username recovery isn't working, don't worry, this issue is more common than it seems, especially with how OakNorth's digital banking systems have evolved. But here's the good news: your access can be restored quickly once you know what's really going on. Most people assume that the recovery failed because of a technical glitch, but the surprising truth is that OakNorth has moved away from using separate usernames. The system now relies entirely on your registered email address and password. That's why the forgot username feature often doesn't return any results. Your email is your username. Here's how to fix it step by step. Step 1. Go to the OakNorth login page and try logging in using your registered email address. If you've forgotten your password, click Forgot Password to trigger a reset email. Step 2. Check your inbox for any past OakNorth emails. Whether it's account updates, loan statements, or verification messages, those confirm which email you used when you first registered. Step 3. If you can't find any of those messages, reach out to OakNorth's customer service. Provide your full name, registered email if known, and the type of account you hold, for example, business loan or savings account. Their support team can quickly verify your details and guide you through secure access recovery. Most people get this wrong by repeatedly entering old usernames, thinking the system is broken. But it's not, it's simply updated. OakNorth uses stronger authentication linked to your verified email to protect your account. So the fix isn't about recovering a forgotten username. It's about confirming your registered email and resetting your password securely. Once you've done that, you'll be able to access your OakNorth account smoothly again. Don't stress, your account and data are safe. Just follow these steps, stay patient, and you'll be back in control of your OakNorth account in minutes.